In this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve live football playback errors on YouTube TV. If you've ever encountered issues while trying to stream a game, don't worry. These problems can often be fixed with a few simple steps. Let's dive in. If you're experiencing playback errors while watching live football on YouTube TV, start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common causes of streaming issues. Restart your router or modem if necessary. Next, try restarting the device you're using to stream, whether it's a phone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming stick, as this can often clear up glitches. If the problem persists, make sure the YouTube TV app is updated to the latest version, as outdated apps can cause errors. You can also try clearing the app's cache or reinstalling it for a fresh start. Additionally, check YouTube TV's official social media accounts or status page to see if there's an outage affecting the service. If none of these steps work, contact YouTube TV customer support for further assistance. If this video helped you learn how to resolve live football playback errors on YouTube TV, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.